Okay, guys. So whoosh, we have the corn dog. Look how big it is. I think maybe there's like too much, maybe dough, maybe, or maybe because it's got cheese in it as well. We'll have our first taste. Ready, guys?
Yep. In 100 meters at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on St. James Avenue.
Woo. Oh, like I've only gotten the taste of the cheese.
How is it?
You juice stuff?
There's no dog in there.
There's no dog.
In 100 meters
Oh, it's just cheesy.
continue straight to stay on St. James.
I think it's just cheese. There's no sausage. Oh my gosh. I thought there was gonna be sausage inside.
Well, it says dog.
Corn dog, cheesy corn dog.
Welland Street.
Maybe,
Oh wait, maybe it's short.
maybe it's cheese only. Well, we didn't read it properly, eh?
Or maybe the cheese is. So there's no dog.
There's no dog in it. There's no sausage.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Bournemouth
Huh.
Avenue.
Might be at the bottom.
No, it can't be at the bottom, man. They have deceived us.
Take it back.
Sis, do a U-turn, let's take it back. We wanted a dog.
No, mate. That be me. Give me.
This is cheesy dog. Oh, the way I was looking forward to biting that sausage. Oh, everybody's disappointed. You're disappointed or you're okay?
I'm alright.
Yeah, me too. I wanted the sausage with the cheese.
Take the next right onto Bournemouth Avenue.
I don't think I can eat this.
Too much cheese. I'll have it.
It's sweet. Like, you know, when you mix in the dough, they, like, if you ever checked how to make it, they tell you to put sugar in some recipes. This one has sugar in it. I'm not a big fan of that one. Goodness me.
Gracious me.
200 meters, turn right onto
Okay.
Bournemouth Avenue.
Hang on, let me look for the chicken. Original salt. Okay.
Take the next
They've
right
given
onto
us this,
Avenue, then turn left onto
I think it's
Gavin
cabbage, yeah, cabbage salad looking thing. I don't know.
It looks fancy.
It looks fancy. Let me just cabbage
Take
looking
the next
salad.
left onto Gavin Drive, then
Maybe-
turn right onto Heatherton Road.
Oh, this is the road. Maybe we'll try this when we actually
the
get
highway.
to, yeah, or like when we actually park, when we're actually at the where we're going, right? It's a bit hard to eat chicken in the car. Oh wow.
I'm gonna go for sleep.
It's beautiful. It's like earthly. It's so beautiful. Beauty, beauty. Hello. Hey, little girl. Jokes. Oh, she's waving at us. Hi. There's a little girl in the car next door waving at us. How cute.
You're hot.
It's very hot in the car now. I think we should open the windows.
Should we?
Yeah. Oh, you got the aircon on now.
Yeah. Yeah, let me see.
Good-ding. It's getting dark. What's the time now?
8. 4 minutes to 9.
So it's almost 9 p.m. guys. And look at the
sky.
the sky. And it's not even dark. In summer it takes a bit long to get dark. And in winter it gets dark so quick. So I prefer summer in terms of the light, Yeah, but I like
Not
the
in the
weather.
morning.
Oh, I'm usually sleeping in the morning. So.
Nah, I can't because the sun is out and you know.
Oh yeah, the sun comes out early,
Early.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So winter it gets dark really quick, but I like winter in terms of the weather. You can sleep better. When it's hot, unless if you put on the aircon, you just you'll be rolling around and
600 meters, turn left onto North
uncomfortable.
Road, State Road 18.
So yeah, we're just doing to try to get to. How many more minutes till we get there?
10.
10 more minutes, guys.
Yes. To the surprise.
So you know we get to our destination. Not our final
Turn left
destination,
onto
but one of
North
our
Road,
destinations.
State Road 18.
Turn left, it said.
Yeah.
State Road 18.
In 300 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on North Road, State Road 18.
What a turn.
It's called Sharp 10. Sharp corner.
Ooh. Tsunami.
Come on.
Oh man. The streets of Melbourne.
Yep.
This is Brighton, guys.
Brighton.
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 Brighton. Seriously, some of these places look like Sydney. Like some of the streets.
This is beautiful. The house.
Brighton. And there's a place in Sydney called Brighton. But that one's Brighton Le Sand, so it's near the beachy area. Is there a beach in this area?
In 300 meters,
Yep, there's also a
turn
beach,
right
you
onto
guys.
St Kilda Street, State Route 33.
I just love the sky, the blend with the pinkish peachy with the blue. It's just beautiful. Beautiful sunset setting.
Take the next right onto St Kilda Street, State Route 30.
St Kilda Street.
I
There
don't know
we
if you can see.
go.
The beach is right there
Oh, right there, guys. We're turning so, like that space there, the little opening there, where that car's coming from. That's the beach. Oh, that is beautiful. Hang on. Well, there's the beach. Now you can have a better look, guys. That is so beautiful. Let's go for a dive or a swim.
Can you swim?
Yeah, I can swim. I know how to swim.
I don't.
Well, I guess you're not going to the beach with us then. Oh my.
So, my most hilarious Australian story when we first came here was when we came, they made us some chips with shithole and some chicken. So the following day I thought, oh yeah, you know, we're having the same thing, you know, chips and shithole with chicken.
Yeah.
Roasted chicken. And then, you know, they pour the shithole. I'm like, yes, this is shithole. So, you know, I dipped in my chips straight into my mouth. The thing is sweet. I'm like, what the hell is this?
Barbecue sauce.
It was barbecue sauce. And guess what the name I gave to it?
What?
Barbecue sauce.
Hey! Barbecue.
Yes.
Girl.
Man, you should have seen the disappointment in my face.
Barbecue sauce, guys. If you have any other name for barbecue sauce, put it in the comment down below. This girl. Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue, mate.
Stop the car and take a video.
Oh my god. Barbecue sauce.
Hey, I was so disappointed. I've never been disappointed in my life.
Barbecue sauce. What's this sugar thing? Disappointment, man. But couldn't you smell it that it wasn't shito?
No.
Ah. That's even...
Pressure.
Oh, guys, I can see a Ferris wheel. Look at all the boats.
Yep.
Oh,
This is St Kilda Beach, guys.
so this is St Kilda Beach.
What's that, St Kilda?
This is Melbourne for you guys. It's beautiful. Beautiful Melbourne.
Yes.
I love this place already.
Melbourne is beautiful.
Yeah.
So this is our Luna Park. I think
It's closed, isn't it?
it's closed. Yes.
Oh, Luna Park is closed, guys. It's amusement park, so it has all the rides and yeah, fun stuff there. But they have closed it.
They have. I guess because of
Aw.
COVID.
Okay.
Yeah.
It would have been spreading heaps though.
Yes.
Oh, I can see the water.
There's sometimes penguins here too.
Oh, penguins. I just lost my voice. Hey guys, so we are trying the Korean fried chicken. I don't know, it's a bit dark now so I can't really see. But yeah, that's the chicken. And they gave us some, I think this is cabbage with some sort of sauce on it, if you can see it. And some, we don't actually know what this is.
Sam.
We have no idea what this is, but we're going to
Sam,
try
Sam.
it anyway. Let me smell it actually. It smells like a bit oniony, like a bit oniony, but it's not onions. I know. I've had something like that, but I don't know the name of it. They normally have it with their foods, like. See if you can figure out what it is.
I think they normally put it in their food. I've had it before.
Yeah, I just don't know the name.
I don't know the name either.
So who's gonna try it? Okay, I'm gonna try this cabbage. It's like a coleslaw type of thing. Reminds me of coleslaw. Guys,
They didn't give us any other cutlery.
they gave us chopsticks.
These people, they look at me.
I don't even know how to use chopsticks. Can you imagine? Me using chopsticks. Gosh.
Time to struggle.
Huh? The way I broke mine, because I don't know how to use chopsticks. This is time to embarrass myself, eh? Let me show you guys. Let me move this out of the way. How do you do it? You people that use chopsticks. Me, I've grabbed something like this.
What sauce is that?
It's not too bad.
People are struggling.
It's not too bad. Are you still trying to grab some?
Actually nice. I know what kind of sauce they've had on.
But it's
But
nice.
it's really nice. This thing actually, when you ever eat any Asian fried rice,
It's in there.
it's in there.
I just don't know the name of it.
I love it.
Me, I can't hold it to me. I'm doing African style.
Like that.
They're trying to teach me how to use chopsticks. Like,
Like that?
huh?
Oh, yeah, that's what you've done.
Oh, guys, I'm doing my own way, man. I'm even just gonna do this. Hey, I have split that thing in half. See, doing my own way. Look how much I was able to grab.
Hey,
Remove that one. Remove your
this one, remove it here.
Just let it be down there.
Oh, okay, like that.
And then move this one. Just this thing. Yeah, it's alright. You do it,
Yeah, so move.
We are totally like so Aussies. Look how we're sitting on the floor with our legs crossed.
Hey, Gloria, this is sad.
Hers is like
Compared to something else. Just struggling. I'm trying to do I'm doing my own way, guys. Look.
oh, bro.
Bye-bye. Oh, wait a minute. Let me scoop mine first.
She's trying to
This is
have
like
her
cabbage.
fair share of it. Is cabbage, but whatever that sauce is nice.
Yeah.
I think she's gonna finish it.
Yeah.
Don't even start. Okay, here for the chicken. Now for the main culprits. The chick. In.
Let us not forget to try it.
I'm gonna.
That's the chili.
Why is it like glazed? It's like
With the sesame.
this is supposed to be the spicy one. So let's just try it. Hang on. Hold on. Guys, so I'm just gonna try this spicy one. It's not bad. It's actually nice.
So that's spicy.
It's not that spicy.
You guys like chili?
Mm-hmm.
I don't really like chili, so.
It tastes like nene chicken. Nene.
I haven't had mayonnaise.
You should
I
try.
wanted to have it the other day, but I never got it.
They've got salmon panko.
Yeah, that's for sure.
No.
Someone is coughing from the chili. Oh, this is nice. This chicken is so good. I'm still eating. I'm yet to try the other one. Oh my gosh, leave me one, guys. Yeah. It's really nice and very juicy at the same time. We should have gone the whole chicken. Yeah. Korean fried chicken is good. Very good. African fried chicken. Well, that's the original chicken fry. That's the original chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna try the was it the original? Yeah, the original one. Original fried chicken. It's not too bad if you're somebody that doesn't like chili. I mean, but I prefer the one with the chili better. Who agrees? Yeah. It tastes much better. And your corn dog. Now this one's gonna eat her corn dog. We were disappointed with the is it cheesy corn dog? Yeah, we didn't really like it. I think my one was even not fully cooked. Yeah, it was a bit fresh inside still. You should see what she's doing, guys. Look. She's peeling off the dough.
I had to dissect it to see how big the sausage is.
Oh my god. It's so small. Like, it's short compared to the normal corn dogs that we normally get or like we've had. As for this one, it's a no-go. But as for the chicken, is really nice. All jokes aside, the chicken and that salad, no, it was cabbage. That cabbage with whatever sauce that was, it was really nice together.
The sausage is not very beautiful.
The sausage is not nice.
I think it's better hot.
But either way, I wouldn't really buy it next
Anybody?
time.
This thing smells.
That stuff, like, it's sweet, right?
It smells.
Yeah, it's usually usually you go to Chinese restaurants and stuff, they give you some of that next to their fried rice or whatever it is. Because I remember having it, but it was cut differently. Let me try one with my chicken. Guys, this white thing. It's nice.
It's nice.
It just doesn't smell very nice.
It just smells like fart.
It does not smell good, but it tastes good. You should see their faces.
You don't like it?
Not for you? It tastes nice. So guys, you don't like it?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Still eating the chicken. Guys, sorry, you should just see her face. One of the girls, she's trying to eat that white stuff that I just shit. I don't know the name of, and cause it has this strange smell, she can't put it in her mouth. She's just making all these faces like it's just too funny.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. I ate it. It's finished. Oh, you can have it. You ate it? Did you eat it?
No.
Where is it?
Sucked it out. Such a weird. Right, guys. I didn't realize.
So guys, it's really late now, so we're just gonna go home. Just had the chicken. Some of them will be going to work tomorrow morning, so
7 a.m. start.
7 a.m. start, so she has to go. So now we all gotta go. So
Hey, yeah, I forgot these.
oh, they had a chicken salt thing. So yeah guys,
Maybe we needed to add it.
thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe, and give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe, because you can't come watch and go. Watch and go. You gotta subscribe, mate, and click on the bell. You know that bell thing down there.
Ding,
Click
ding,
on
ding,
it.
ding,
Clink,
ding.
clink, clink. So you can get notified when there's a new video.
They're running. Yes guys, you heard her. So yes, we're off guys. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.